Namaste. So, today we're going to talk about food. Food is a very important part of my life, and it is sort of the highlight of the day. I literally judge the entire day based on what I'm going to consume. So usually जब भी हम सुनते हैं डाइट करना है, so it's we have a little thought of restricting ourselves, okay, barring ourselves from eating certain things or doing certain things or things like that. And I had the same mindset, like literally the same mindset. And somebody would tell कि diet करना है, तो it would be like shit यार अभी क्या है ये. But there were certain things changed my point of view, and there are two of such points that I want to talk about today, like two experiences. Um, so the first one is the constitution of your diet. You have to understand that you need a tailor made diet. Okay, you cannot go and take a prefix diet and follow that, because it is something that is going to be very difficult to sustain. And it is very important to come up with a diet that you're able to sustain, because weight loss is not about a few weeks, it's about a very long term commitment. So get yourself a nutritionist that is going to hear you out, hear everything that you like, and make a diet accordingly. So for me, when I first got my diet, I used to literally look forward to eating, because I had some all these nice soya tikkis and dal dhoklis and dal rice also, for dinner. I had these amazing diet plans, and मुझे मज़ा आता था कि हाँ अभी ये खाने मिलेगा, वो खाने मिलेगा. So that was one thing that really is very necessary, to have your diet tailor made, so that you enjoy doing what you're doing, right? So that is the first thing, constitution of your diet. So now when we talk about the second thing, it is about portion size. ना भी पोर्शन साइज हमेशा हमेशा छोटे ही होते हैं. सो ऐसा लगता है कि यार इतना कम खाऊंगी तो पेट कैसे भरेगा, एंड इज़ इट इवन इनफ. लाइक फॉर मी, मैं पब्लिक के सामने तो कम ही खाती हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम रियली शाई अबाउट द अमाउंट ऑफ फूड दैट आई ईट. बट इफ़ यू सी मी लिटरली ईटिंग अलोन और ईटिंग एट होम, you'll understand I eat like anything. I mean, I eat a lot of food. So for me, restricting my portion size meant that I have to starve myself. But there's a trick here that I've used, and it works beautifully. Okay, it's like a game, and शायद बच्चे करते होंगे यार, मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन ये मैंने बहुत किया हुआ है. So so the rule of thumb here is just take 15 to 20 minutes से ज़्यादा लगना चाहिए खाना खाने को, because that is the time that the brain requires to understand कि हाँ अभी पेट भर गया है. So usually for people who are like me, who are little on a plus size, उनको है ना डिफ़िकल्टी होती है टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उनका पेट कब भरा. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ द ट्रिक दैट यू यूज़. 15 से 20 मिनट तक खाना खाना है. हाउ टू डू दिस? देर आर कन्वेंशनल मेथड्स कि तुम ज़्यादा टाइम च्यू करो खाना, या मे बी डू अ लिटिल माइंडफुल ईटिंग एंड फील एवरी थिंग दैट यूर ईटिंग. Eat very slowly. If you're eating with a spoon, के थोड़ा खा के spoon नीचे रख दो before taking the next bite. ये सब ठीक है. What I did was I used to take this beautiful cutlery देती थी मैं, उसमें beautifully अपना सारा खाना सजा देती थी, and it would look एकदम artistic. I would sit with that plate and I would pretend that I'm this very famous food critic or a very famous chef, and then I would taste my food and I would give reviews about it. And this helped me connect with my food. It helped me feel and understand how a certain thing is made, or when I'm eating it, what my body is feeling. So, this helped me taste the food better. It took more time. I connected well with my food, and it sort of gave me this satisfaction कि हाँ मैंने बहुत अच्छा खाना खाया and काफ़ी सारा खाया. So you have to try this out, and you have to tell me how it works for you. Please text me, let me know. And so these were the two things. One was constitution of the food, and the other one was portion size. So there's one more request that I have. Please, please, please tell me if there's anything that you do that could help me, any tricks or any games you play with things like this that could help me. And also I'm going to be posting a lot about food, because like I said, I love food. I literally live for food. So yeah, see you soon, hopefully.